Professor Winston. I'm Professor of Science and Society at Imperial College in London. I've often queried this word inspiration. There are some words which we use very frequently, like inspiration, innovation, and one or two others which I think are probably overused. I have been certain people I've met in my career who've certainly influenced me very greatly, of course, but why I ended up in what I do is, I think, largely accidental. And for a long time I wanted to read English at Cambridge, but found myself ending up with an application, a place to do natural sciences, because that was what the A-levels turned out to be. I was very unsure I wanted to do that, and I thought very hard that I didn't really want to look down a microscope for the rest of my life. So finally, after leaving school, sometime afterwards, without actually much help from anybody, because there was nobody in the family, nobody at school, I decided to read medicine. And the irony, of course, is I've looked down a microscope for most of my life. Well, I think the beauty of what you see down a microscope is extraordinary. I mean, the wonder of looking in my field, it's reproduction, and looking at the wonder of the fallopian tube transporting an egg in the cumulus mass, if you use a bit of a stain and some transmitted light, it is astonishing. It's something which I will never forget the first time I did that with a low-powered microscope.